Hello student, today we are going to start lesson number 8, cards and wheels. Okay, so have you seen any cards in their wheels? So here we are going to discuss about wheels. Now what is the shape of wheels? कैसा होता है wheels का shape? So is it look like this? No. Is it look like this? No. Is it look like this? Yes, it is a circle. Okay, it is a round shape. So the shapes of the wheels is round. So here we are going to start this chapter. It is related to the circle. The main parts of the circle is center, radius and diameter. Okay, so first of all, here's the main points we will learn about this in this chapter. First is draw a circle freehand and with compass. Freehand means without using anything, just with your hands draw the circle like this. It is called freehand, and with compass we will take the help of compass and then draw the circle. Then identify center, radius and diameter. There are three main parts of the circle. First is center, radius and diameter. Then understand the relationship between radius and diameter. Relationship क्या है radius and diameter का? If one is given, that means if diameter is given, then how to find out the radius, and if the radius is given, how to find out the diameter. We will learn in this chapter. Okay, so we'll start from the first topic. It is the main parts of the circle. Next. Okay students, so here there are three circles and we will learn what is the center, radius and diameter. As you know, this is the chapter of a geometry and this chapter is related to the circle. It is a plane shape and the main parts of the circle is a center. What is the center? The middle. Circle का एकदम middle वाला part जो होता है, that is called center. Okay. Now when we give the name, see here I have written here O. So when we write the center point, we will write O. So what is the center of this circle? O. Okay. Next, radius. Now as you know, it is a center point. So I will write here O, and then from the center point, the length of the line from the center point to its any boundary. Now you know what is the boundary of the circle? This one. ये पूरा बाउंड्री होता है. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम द सेंटर पॉइंट टू इट्स बाउंड्री, कोई भी बाउंड्री पे यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक की लेंथ को हम बोलेंगे रेडियस. ओके, सो सपोज आई हैव रिटन हियर P. सो द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज OP. अदर वे टू राइट PO. या तो OP लिख सकते हैं या फिर PO भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ दिस शुड बी लाइक दिस. इस तरीके से भी हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं इन द अदर वे. Now this is the center point. If I draw this line here, so it is also called radius. So O, and here I have written P. Okay. So radius of this circle is OP. From the center point to its boundary. कोई भी boundary पर, लेकिन center point से boundary तक की length होनी चाहिए. Okay. यहाँ से यहाँ तक भी हम कर सकते हैं. Then here ये भी कर सकते हैं, कोई भी. ओके, नेक्स्ट डायमीटर. सो एज यू नो, इट इज अ सेंटर पॉइंट O. देन इफ आई ड्रॉ हियर दिस लाइन, इट इज कॉल्ड रेडियस. देन इफ आई कंप्लीट दिस लाइन लाइक दिस, सी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, दिस वन. सो दिस लेंथ इज कॉल्ड diameter. So it is a double of a radius. अगर पूरी लेंथ होगी, पूरी स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी, that is diameter. Okay. So see, diameter की लाइन कोई भी हो सकती है, but it should be go through from the center. सेंटर को क्रॉस होनी चाहिए, तभी वो diameter कहलाएगी. ऐसा भी हो सकता है, it look like this also, but center point से होके जानी चाहिए. So P and R. So diameter is is PR. Okay. Now see, revise it. It is center point. See, from center point to its boundary it is called radius. Then from one boundary to second boundary, but from the center point से होकर ये लाइन जाएगी तभी वो diameter कहलाएगा. So student, see, in this circle, this line starts from here. It touch from this boundary and will end. It is the another boundary of this circle. So it start from here and end with this boundary. Okay, ये दोनों boundary पे touch होना चाहिए and it will be go through, means pass out होना चाहिए from the center point. So that is called diameter. Okay student, our next topic is draw a circle. There are two ways to draw the circle. First, trace anything, and the second one will use a compass. So first of all, draw a circle using bangle and a coin, and any other thing we can take. So first is bangle. So how to trace a bangle to draw the circle? See, this is a bangle, and if I want to draw the circle using a bangle, see how I trace it. First of all, I put it on the board, and now I draw the outline in this way. Okay, now in this way we can draw the circle. Again, if I want to draw, okay, so this is another circle. Okay, second one is with use of coin. Okay, so I put it on the board, see, and then I draw the outline of this coin. See how to draw the circle with use the coin. So, is it a circle? Yes. So, to trace bangle, coin and other objects you can use, see this one. In this way, if I take this one, so how can I draw this? See, it is also circle. Okay. Now, next. Okay student, now the second is draw a circle using compass. Now, you can see this is a compass in my hand, and now I have to draw the circle using it. So, first of all, radius is given. If radius is 2 centimeter, so I have to draw the circle whose radius is 2 centimeter. Now, as you know what is the radius, so I have to take the radius. First of all, see, in the compass here I have to put the pencil. Okay, so you have to put the pencil and screw it tight like this. Then, so put the scale on your hand. So I have drawn a rough scale here. Okay, so here are two arms. First this one. So put the first arm on the 0 centimeter. Then open the second arm so that the second arm will lie on 2 centimeter. Okay, now student, see, we have taken the 2 centimeter. Always put the needle arm, that is called first arm. Needle arm will always should be on the 0 centimeter and second one is on the 2 centimeter. Now take it here and ये needle arm आपको वहाँ पे रखना है where you have to draw the circle. See, I have put here. Now this is the place where center is going to be. ये वो place है जहाँ पे center होगा. Okay. Now see, try to rotate the pencil around the center. Now student, can you see here the circle is here, and when we rotate the pencil, and now see, first of all, whenever you hold the compass, always you hold it from the top, हमेशा ऊपर से पकड़ेंगे, and without changing the angle between two arms, आपको केवल rotate करना है around the center. So it will be look like this. Now this is the radius, और जहाँ पे भी आप radius draw करोगे, it will be equal, okay, from the center point to its any boundary. And whenever you draw the diameter, it will be same. यहाँ से यहाँ पे draw करोगे तो भी same होगा. From here to here if you have draw, तो भी वो same ही होगा. कहीं से भी draw करोगे, it will be equal. Okay? Okay student, now let's do some activity. Draw a circle freehand. So without using anything, I have to draw the circle. See, it is look like this. I know it is not perfect, but it is a circle. Now, using a bangle, see. Now it is a perfect circle, okay. So, next one, using compass. Now see, here I have a compass, I put the pencil in the here and screw it tight so that the compass will not move and the arms will be perfect, okay. Now see, radius will be 3 centimeter. So first of all I have to see the radius. See, here is a scale, okay. Now, okay student, now our second step is draw a circle using compass. Now see, it is a compass and you have to draw the circle using it only, okay. Now see, this is a pencil and fix the pencil in the compass like this and screw it tight. एकदम टाइट होना चाहिए, okay. Now see, it is ready. Now take the scale. Draw a circle whose radius is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter radius को लेकर हमको सर्कल बनाना है. So here, see, there are two arms. First this one and second this one. This is a needle arm. Okay. Now put the needle arm on the 0 centimeter. Here, it is 0 centimeter. So here I have to put the needle arm and then open the arms so that the pencil lies on 3 centimeter. See, it is 3 centimeter. So I have to open the arm so that the pencil will lies on 3 centimeter. See, okay. Now take up. Okay, now we are ready to draw the circle. Put this needle arm on the paper. यहाँ पे रखना है where you have to draw the circle. Then hold it from the top only. हमेशा top से पकड़ोगे whenever you draw the circle. बीच में से पकड़ोगे तो आपका circle perfect नहीं बनेगा. Then without changing the angle of this both arms, दोनों arms के बीच के gap को change किए बिना आपको ऐसे rotate करना है pencil को. See, like this. Can you see? It is a circle. Okay, now see where I have put the needle point. This place is called center. Okay, so here I have written O. It is center point. So whenever I write center, I will write it O. Then if I draw the radius is 3 centimeter. Okay. Now radius is from center point to its boundary. Boundary ये वाली कहलाती है सर्कल की आउटलाइन जो हमने अभी पेंसिल से रोटेट करके बनाया है, दैट इज कॉल्ड बाउंड्री. सो सेंटर पॉइंट से लेके कोई भी बाउंड्री पर, लेकिन लाइन विल बी स्ट्रेट and the distance will be called as a radius. So radius is 3 centimeter and if I want to draw the diameter, so I have to complete this line. See, and the line should be straight and it will be passed from the center point. So O, P and R. So whenever I write diameter, it will be R, P. अगर आप ये वाली ड्रॉ करोगे तो भी इक्वल होगी. whenever you draw like this, that will be also equal. कहीं से भी आप ड्रॉ करोगे इक्वल होगी, बट वन बाउंड्री से सेकेंड बाउंड्री को वो टच होनी चाहिए विद द मिडल में से गुजरते हुए. मिडल पॉइंट मीन्स सेंटर पॉइंट से, हमेशा सेंटर पॉइंट से वो लाइन गुजरनी चाहिए, that will be called diameter. Okay? Okay student, if you want to measure the diameter, so the diameter is double of a radius, so it will be 6 centimeter. If I want to measure the diameter, so it will be from start to 0, it will be lies on 6. So the diameter is 6 centimeter. It is double of radius. And if any other radius I will draw, then if I measure it, it will be also 3 centimeter. See, कहीं से भी आप draw करोगे, radius will be always 3 centimeter, and diameter कोई भी आप draw करोगे, it will be 6 centimeter only. Okay?